Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today's video is just going to be a short little one about uppotting my brassica plants. Not all of them, because not all of them are ready. And you'll see that I'm actually filming this intro after I've done it. A neighbor was playing music and I didn't want that in my video. So, but yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mallory with Black Rifle Homestead, and I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and join our online tribe here. And yeah, basically I'm just going to show you what I'm doing with my brassica plants. They are extremely leggy, and so I'm uppotting the ones that seem to have two healthy true leaves. As you can see, there are still some that I didn't uppot, but that's what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bury the stem so that it's not as leggy. So if you can see that, so it can stand upright a little more. All right, so there we go. That's a little better. I think the next one I'll bury deeper, but that's not as bad as it was. So we have our first one. I think I like this one a little bit better. So it's still like it doesn't know how to stand up by itself because it's so leggy, but hopefully it'll learn. All right, that one, I think that one's my favorite one. So, all right, so that's it for Red Winter. There's my first lacinato. All right, we're right back where we started. So we are all done with uppotting the brassicas. I'm filming on my phone because once again my camera died. So these are the Chico broccoli, two of the Walton broccoli, cauliflower, Copenhagen cabbage, lacinato kale, and red winter kale. So here they are. They're all in these. I got these cups at Dollar Tree, and I think I got 16 for $1.25, and I got 3 packs. So these will work really nice for this purpose. They'll be able to live in here for a little bit. I need to figure out a solution for how I'm going to get these under the light, because I don't think I quite have enough room with my, well, I might have to set up my the third light that I have that's actually a grow light, maybe for the uppotted plants, I guess, because I have this 72 cell tray, and then this one over here, which I actually, just as a quick little update for you guys, I plucked out this cell. It had 2 in there, but they had their leaves were getting yellow and they were flopped over. They're very floppy. Like this one is kind of doing the same thing, and I was getting a little bit worried that it might be some kind of disease, because some of the plants surrounding that cell are also yellowing. So these aren't falling over, but some are. Like, yeah, this one is getting wilted and falling over, although it's not really yellow. But yeah, so I was just a little bit worried that there was some kind of disease process going on, so I removed that. So I lost 2 little plants, but that's okay. I'd rather lose 2 than lose all of them into disease. But otherwise, they look pretty good. I did make a fish emulsion. Let me show you guys. I made a little bottle of this. It says that for seed germination, 1 teaspoon per cup of water. So I just did that in a little squirt bottle and fertilize them just in case they need that. So anyway, so this was my first adventure in uppotting plants. and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they're not too traumatized by the process, but we'll see. They seem, you know, they're overall very healthy, and I had to do something because otherwise they were just going to keep growing. I mean, these other ones need to hurry up and get some true leaves on them, more true leaves, because I don't want to let them go too long in growing in the little cells, because they're just going to get so long and leggy, and eventually, I don't know, it just seems like they're going to stop being healthy. So anyway, so that's how you up pot. It's super easy. I just got more seed starting mix and just filled up those red cups and then planted the plants in there. So super, super easy. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, and I will be continuing to show y'all what it's like planting all these plants and how they do. I hope that I have good news about the tomatoes. I hope they're not on the downturn, but they should be okay. All right, you guys, in the meantime, take care. If it's nice where you are, enjoy the beautiful weather like we have today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.